Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually showing you a brand new money making website that is going to pay you out every 60 seconds. And by the end of this video, I'm also going to show you how you can start to make some daily interest with this method, guys. And this is today's daily comment winner right here. And if you want to get a chance to get some free cryptocurrency for me, make sure to leave your Bitcoin address down in the comment section of this video so you can get a chance to win some free cryptocurrency. Now, let's get started with today's money making method. So the first website we're going to be talking about in today's video is going to be actually Express Crypto, and this is going to be a micro wallet so you can actually receive your income almost instantly, guys. So I'm going to show you how you can actually use Express Crypto to your advantage in order to start multiplying your income almost passively, guys. So now the first step is going to be creating an account with Express Crypto, and I'll be leaving a link down in the description of this video. And after that, guys, once you have actually made a actual account, the first thing is actually trying to level up your points on Express Crypto so you can get some more income. Now, I've talked about this in a previous video. So now once we have done this, guys, and if you do not want to level up your actual account, keep watching this video, and I'm going to show you the reason why it is best to actually do this. So now let's move on to the first money making website that is going to pay you out every 60 seconds. Now, this is going to be the first one right here, guys. This is going to be a really easy one, and as you can see right here, the claims are over. Please come back. I have been running in this for about a day and a half already, so now I just have to wait. And there are multiple methods, guys. There's multiple currencies that you can use. This one's just the Tron auto faucet, and I'll be leaving the link down in the description of this video so you can get started right away. Now I'm going to show you one that has been working, and I recently just started this morning. Today is 9 o'clock in the morning and it's 10:10, guys. So I'm making this video. I'm about to upload it after I'm done with this, editing it and sending it off to you guys. So look, you can see it just got through claiming and getting sent directly into my account. Look, withdrawals is 0.2 RDD. So this is going to be like I think the red token or the red coin inside of our Express Crypto accounts. So it's going to be this one right down here, 1.34 red coin. And I'm going to keep watching this video, guys, because I'm going to show you how you can actually multiply this easily. So let's refresh the page and look, 1.34769. Refresh the page, go. 1.44769. So you see it is growing slowly but surely and passively. Now look at the Tron. I already got 21 Tron right here that has been given to me passively. Now if we come back over here, I'm actually just started up this one as well. So the next website, really quick, while this is actually loading in the next 15 seconds, let's go back to Express Crypto, and now let's look at the Tron real quick. I believe this one, yeah, this one's gonna be XRP, so Ripple. So let's go back to Ripple, 0.016178. 0.016178. So now let's come over here, let's refresh the page as soon as this is done loading in. So we have this last claim, so it says claims 5, so it's going to be sent in the next claim, guys. Let's go over here to this next website that I've already talked about, but there's a reason why I want to bring this back up. So let's come over here, let's put in our actual well, you're gonna get sent some ads. So let's come down here, let's do Express Crypto, put in your actual address right there, click I'm not a robot, and then click on next. So once you clicked on next, guys, you're gonna get sent another CAPTCHA that you have to solve manually, and sometimes this doesn't work, so you just have to refresh the page and then try it again, and it should work after that. So let's click on claim, the page should refresh. So now we got sent to a website or page just like this one, and all you have to do is just let it do its thing. In the next 60 seconds, we're gonna get sent, after the 3 reloads, some free XRP from free Tron from this website right here, guys. So this is a really simple and easy method you can start to earn passively, and I'm not done, guys. Now let's start to show you how to multiply your income. So now we got sent our XRP or our XRP from this faucet. It recently just did the last claim. Now let's go back over here. Let's come back down here to XRP, which is right there, 0.016178. Refresh the page, scroll down, 0.016578. So it's working slowly but surely. Let's come down here. You can see it right there, guys. So faucet BR, Swift fork, claim auto faucets, faucet BR, XRP, XRP, RDD, RDD, Tron, and Tron. So you can see this method is working flawlessly. Now look, we only have a couple of more claims. I believe this is going to be the second round left. So now after it does this 2 more times, we're going to get sent some X or TRX from this website. Now let's move on to the good part. Now, once you have actually accumulated a really decent amount of income from those faucets passively, the next step is coming over here to the exchange and exchanging these tokens, or yeah, this money into Tron. So now let's go over here. Let's go to something that we already have enough money for. So something that has to equal up to 500 Satoshis. So if it doesn't, then it is totally fine, guys. I'm going to show you once you equal up to 500 Satoshis down here, then you're able to exchange it into Tron. So that is totally fine. Let's move on to the next part of this method. So once you have accumulated a decent amount of Tron, it doesn't really matter how much, you're going to come over here to this staking part right here. So where it says staking on Express Crypto, and you're just going to start to stake your income, stake your money that you have in Tron. So I'm going to just keep adding into this balance right here, clicking on stake, and you should start to just accumulate some free Tron for just doing absolutely nothing. And this is a 9% yearly basis, so you're gonna get paid out every single day from this 9% a year. So however much that equals, plus your levels on your Express Crypto actual level, guys. So the more you come over here, the more you start to do these claims. So it says right here, receive 1 ECP for every lottery ticket bought. Receive 1 ECP for every bet dice greater than or equal to 10 Satoshis. 1 CP for every bingo game, 3 ECP for every claim, 5 ECP for every PTC, and 50 ECP per offer wall. So that's how you can actually grow your level by doing any of these. I like to do the dice bet and bet exactly 16 Satoshis so I can be over that 10 and get 1 ECP to grow this slowly but surely and start to accumulate some more staking bonuses. So if you stick to this method, guys, you're going to be able to accumulate a lot of Tron passively for doing absolutely nothing, and it's going to come and core compound as time goes on. So which that means is that if you leave these websites going for all day every day and start to use all of these websites to your advantage, eventually this number is just going to start to grow. Right now I only have 192 Tron inside of this account, but by tomorrow I should be putting in more, by the next day putting in more, by the next day putting in more, and this number is just going to keep growing. So look at the difference. 0.03 right here, right? And now look at the next one, 0.031. So now the next day could be 0.032, 0.034, 5, 6, 30, 40, 50, 60, until I get to 10% every year on staking Tron. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.